Okay, I have something to say today. I can't wait anymore. I really want to go to India. Yes, India. That big, beautiful, colorful country. I don't live in India. I've never been there. But it's calling me. Every single day. I don't know why it's so strong now. Maybe it's because of that video I watched. A girl was walking in a street market in Delhi. So many sounds. So many people. So much food. It looked crazy. And exciting. And then she ate something called pani puri. Water in a puri. I was confused. But she smiled. She laughed. Her eyes were full of tears because it was spicy. But she said, "It's so good." And I thought, I want to eat that. I want to walk there. I want to see everything. I want to go to India. I said it out loud. Let's go to India. Okay, so I landed in Delhi. The moment I stepped out, bam! Noise everywhere. Horns honking, people shouting, cows walking on the road like they own the place. I got into an auto rickshaw. First time ever, and oh my god, that ride was wild. The driver was swerving left and right. I was gripping the seat so hard. Felt like a roller coaster. By the way, welcome to Fresh English Talk. I'm Zara and I make stories to help you learn English naturally. In Delhi, I tried street food for the first time. I saw these small stalls selling chaat and pani puri. I thought, why not? So I ate pani puri. Guys, that thing was crazy. Sour, spicy and cold water in a little fried ball. I almost coughed and laughed at the same time. The vendor laughed too and said, "First time, right?" Yes. First time and definitely unforgettable. Then I flew to Rajasthan, Jaipur city. The buildings were pink, like literally painted pink everywhere. I went to a desert nearby and rode a camel. That camel was slow, but the ride was bumpy and fun. Also, I wore this big colorful turban, felt like a king. I ate dal bati churma, which is lentils with some hard bread, and a sweet thing on the side. It was tasty, but very different from anything I eat at home. After that, I went down south to Kerala. Man, Kerala is green like crazy. So many palm trees, rivers, and those calm backwaters. I took a boat trip through narrow water canals. It was peaceful, but the boat driver played some loud Malayalam songs, and I ended up dancing on the boat with other tourists. Also, I tried fish curry that was spicy but fresh and delicious. In Kerala, I visited a spice farm. Imagine cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, and black pepper hanging all around. The farmer showed me how they pick these spices. I was smelling everything like crazy. So different from just buying spices at the supermarket. Then I flew to Mumbai. Mumbai is fast, like really fast. People everywhere, tall buildings, crazy traffic. I went to the gateway of India right near the sea. There were street sellers offering snacks and cold drinks. I tried vada pav, a spicy potato sandwich. It was messy but so good. The craziest thing I did was take a local Mumbai train. The train was packed like a can of sardines. People were hanging out of the doors and I was like, how is this safe? But the people around me were friendly and made space. Everyone helped each other. It was wild and real. In every state, people spoke different languages. Some spoke English, some Hindi, some Tamil or Malayalam. I learned to say namaste for hello and shukriya for thank you. Simple words, big smiles. India is not just one place. It is many places all at once. Loud, spicy, colorful, confusing, amazing. I got lost many times, but someone always helped me find my way. I loved every crazy moment. India made me laugh, made me sweat, made me hungry every 2 hours and made me feel alive. and now I just want to stay longer.